Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix two-step verification on Roblox. Firstly, after coming to the two-step verification, we need to enter the 6-digit code of either our email or authenticator app, which we have set up before. And by any chance, if we do not have access to them, we can choose different method. And from there, we can click on the backup code. Now we will enter the 9-digit backup code that Roblox had given to us while we first set up two-step verification. If you do not have them saved, you can choose a different method, which will be to contact the Roblox support. In order to do that, click on Roblox support. Then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Then click need more help, contact support. Now you have to first enter the date of birth that you have set up with your ID. After that, you will have to input your username, the username you have in game, your first name, your email address that you use to pin the ID, and then confirm your email address. Now you have to select your platform, which will be your preference, and then you have to select hacked and can't log in. Then select two-step verification. Now it describes the issue you are having, so I'll just type please help me reset my password. I've lost access to my authentication app and backup codes. Then click on continue, and after 1 or 2 days, Roblox support will help you by contacting you.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.